Good morning student. Now today we are going to write A2 letter D capital and small in 200 pages notebook. Okay. Now open the notebook. In previous video we learn and write letter C and D. Okay. Letter C and D. Now today we are going to write letter A to D. Now here in corner you have to write down today's date, okay? And here you have to write down W R I T E, right? Capital C A P I T A L, capital, and AND, and small SMALL, small, letter LETTER, letters. Okay, here write down capital A, small a, 2, TO2, capital D and small d. Okay student. Now here capital A you have to write down, small a, capital B, small b, capital C, small c, and capital D, small d. Okay student. Now you have to write down A to D letter, capital to small. Okay. Now how you will write letter A capital? You know. First you have to write down slanting line left, slanting line right, sleeping line. Okay, so this is capital A. Now left curve in between two lines, standing line like this. So this is small a. Left slanting line, right slanting line. On blue line you have to draw sleeping line. So this is capital A. Left curve, standing line in between two blue lines. This is small a. What is the sound of letter A? A says A. Which objects come, student? Letter A. And apple. Arrow. What's come? Arms. Abacus. Alligator. Ant. Arrow. So this is letter A. Left slanting line, right slanting line, on first blue line sleeping line. This is capital A. Left curves and standing line. This is small a, capital A, small a. The sound of A is A. Okay. Now capital B and small b will write. Standing line, right side curve 1, right side curve 2. This is capital B. Now small b, standing line. In between two blue line you have to make right side curve. So this is small b. This is capital B and this is small b. The sound of B is, yes, B. Sound of B is B. B, book. B, butterfly. B, bag. B, bottle. B, bat. Ball. Banana. Beach. Beer. Bell. Boy. Baby. These objects are come letter B related. Okay. How you will write capital B and small b? Write down from top to bottom in 3 lines. You have to write down standing line. Okay. Then right side curve 1, right side curve 2. This is capital B. Now small b, top to bottom in 3 line you have to write down standing line. Okay, and in between blue line you have to draw right side curve. So this is small b, this is capital B, and this is small b. Okay, now we will write capital C. After B come capital C. Okay, you have to start from top, from pink line, make a left side curve, come on, make a left side curve. This is capital C. You have to write down C in 3 line, and small c you have to write down in 2 line, in between blue 2 lines. So this is small c, left side curve. Okay, capital C, small c, capital C, small c, capital C, small c. What sound come, student? Capital C sound come K. C K, cat. C K, curve. C K, capsicum. C K, coriander. C K, computer. C K, crab. Okay, C K, cake. C K, candle. So this is the letter of capital and small. Letter C. Letter C. How you will write down letter C? Capital. In 3 line you have to write down. Start from pink line. Come down, and little bit go up. So this is capital C. Now small c, in between blue line you have to write down left side curve. So this is capital small c. Okay, now capital D and small d we will write down. How you will write? Start from top to bottom. In 3 line you have to write down standing line. Then right side curve you have to join. So this is capital D. And how you will write small d? Make between blue line you have to write down small curve left side. Okay, and standing line you have to join. This is small d. This is capital D and this is small d. Capital D is capital and small d. What sound comes, student? D, D. The sound of capital the sound of D is D. D, D, dog. D, D, drum. D, D, doll. D, D, dog. D, D, duck. D, D, donkey. D, D, desk. So this is capital D and this is small d. Standing line, right side curve, this is capital D. Left side curve between in 2 line, and standing line, this is small d. Capital D, small d. Sound of D is D. Sound of D is D. Okay, student? Sound of A is A. Sound of B is B. Sound of C is K. Sound of D is D. Okay, student? So you have to write down 2 page, 1 page, and here second number page. 1 and 2 page you have to complete it, capital and small letter A to D. Okay, student? And say the name of objects and letter. You have to learn letter, capital and small. Okay, now click the photo and send on the group. Till then, bye bye.